Morning students and my dear subscribers, this is K. Santosh Kumar, PGT Zoology. So we are discussing the MSET Zoology classes. Okay, today our topic is phylum Arthropoda. Okay, phylum Arthropoda. You see the general characters of Arthropoda. The organisms have a jointed legs, which is called arthropods. This is the biggest, one of the biggest phylum in Animalia kingdom. It's the biggest phylum in Animalia kingdom. So it includes the largest class also, that is called Insecta. Okay, which is called as Insecta. And over 2/3 of all named species on the earth are arthropods, accounting 80% of species, animal species belongs to the arthropoda. And these organisms are the bilaterally symmetrical, triploblastic, metamerically segmented, okay, and coelomic animals, schizocelic animals, okay, bilaterally symmetrical. We know that when one plan of an organism cut through by the central axis, the organism is divides into two equal or identical parts, that is called bilaterally symmetrical. Viparsha Saustava and triploblastic, they have a three germinal layers: ectoderm, endoderm, mesoderm, metamerically segmented. Okay, Kandibonu anedi kanipistu untundandi. Okay, and coelomic animals have a see that true coelom presence between the body wall and okay, visceral organs. That is called what kind of the coelom? Schizocoelomate. These are the schizocoelomate organisms. Okay, the body of arthropods are covered by the chitinous exoskeleton. It acts like a exoskeleton. Bahyasthi panjara anedi untundi. Idi chitin tho ninditham avutundandi. Okay, the body of an arthropods are covered by the chitinous skeleton as a protection. దేనికోసం ఉపయోగపడుతుందంట? ప్రొటెక్షన్ కోసం ఉపయోగపడుతూ ఉంటుంది, రక్షణకి. And it prevents the loss of water from their body. It preventing the loss of water from their body by the due to the exoskeleton. And these exoskeleton prevent inka ela anta, it's periodically shed by the process. ఈ బాహ్యస్థి పంజరం అనేది పీరియాడికల్ గా అది రిమూవ్ అవుతూ ఉంటుందండి. ఆ ప్రాసెస్ ఏంటంటారంటే ఎక్డైసిస్ ఆర్ మౌల్టింగ్ అని అంటారు. These exoskeleton periodically shed off by a process that is called molting or ecdysis. Then to allow growth of the body, then these molting which helps in the growth of the body. Okay, the body is segmented, then consists of head, thorax, abdomen. Okay, the body is segmented, consists with head, thorax, abdomen, and they have a jointed legs. They have a jointed legs. These are also called as a appendages. This name antaru appendages ani kuda antarandi. They have a jointed legs or appendages. And muscles, you see that what kind of the muscles they have? Striated muscles. They have a striated muscles. Okay, and these striated muscles are aid in the rapid locomotion. దీంట్లో ఎక్కువగా కదలిక అనేది జరగడానికి గల కారణం ఏంటంటే striated muscles. Striated muscles means the muscles, the movement of the muscles, okay, the movement of the muscles held in their inwelling, that's called as striated muscles. Okay, and these are striated muscles are the first time appeared in evolution, especially in arthropoda. Okay, ఈ ఆర్థ్రోపోడాలోనే మొట్టమొదటిసారిగా పరిణామ క్రమంలో ఈ మజిల్స్ అనేటువంటివి ఏర్పడ్డాయి, ఈ స్ట్రాండెడ్ మజిల్స్ అనేవి ఏర్పడ్డాయి. అండ్ సీలోమ్ ఈజ్ రెడ్యూస్డ్. ఓకే, సీలోమ్ అనేది క్షీణించబడి ఉంటుందండి. సీలోమ్ ఈజ్ రెడ్యూస్డ్ టు ఏ స్పేసెస్ అరౌండ్ ద ఎక్స్క్రీటరీ అండ్ genital organs. Okay, it's around the excretory and genital organs. Coelom is reduced to spaces, and the body is a hemocoel. The body cavity contains the hemocoel because which contains the blood and lymph. Okay, the blood which contains the lymph presence in the body cavity. That's the coelom is called, the reduced coelom is called as a hemocoel. That's called as a hemocoel. ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఏ ట్రూ సీలోమ్, ఇది నిజమైనటువంటి శరీర కుహరం అనేది కాదు. బట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ derived from the mostly the embryonic blastocyst, especially it is derived from these these hemocene is derived from the mostly embryonic blastocyst నుంచి ఇది ఉత్పత్తి అవుతూ ఉంటుందండి. దెన్ కమింగ్ టు రెస్పిరేటరీ ఆర్గాన్స్, మరి దీంట్లో ఉన్న రెస్పిరేటరీ ఆర్గాన్స్ ఏంటి? సమ్ ఆర్థ్రోపోడ్స్ కంటైన్స్ ద book gills, some book lungs, and most of the arthropods contain tracheals. Tracheals అనేటువంటి కలిగి ఉంటాయి, and book gills ని కలిగి ఉంటాయి. And circulatory system is open type circulatory system because the heart pumps the blood to the body cavity without any blood vessels are participated in the transportation of blood. రక్తాన్ని ప్రసరింప చేయడానికి రక్తనాళాలు లేవు కాబట్టి గుండె అనేది రక్తాన్ని ఒక్కసారిగా హిమోసీల్లోనికి పంపిస్తూ ఉంటుంది, బాడీ క్యావిటీలోనికి పంపిస్తూ ఉంటుంది. సో అటువంటి రక్త ప్రసరణ ఏమంటారంట? స్వేచ్ఛాయుత రక్త ప్రసరణ వ్యవస్థ అని అంటారు. ఓపెన్ టైప్ circulatory system is seen in these organisms. Heart is found in dorsal in position. It's found in the dorsal in position. Heart is found in dorsal in position. In some the blood contain copper containing respiratory pigment. In some of the arthropods contain a copper containing respiratory pigment that is called these respiratory pigment called hemocyanin. The name is hemocyanin. To be coming the nervous system, nadi vyavastha chusinattayite you see that nerve ring and a double ventral nerve cord. Nerve ring which find around a esophagus and a double ventral nerve cord which has a nerve system. And sensory organs, you see that antenna, eyes, sensory eyes. The sense organs are antenna, eyes, simple eyes, compound eyes. Statocyst, it also acts like a sense organ. This statocyst used as a organ for balancing or equilibrium. Then coming to the excretory organs, you see that different kinds of excretory organs and different arthropods. Malpighian tubules, green gland, coxal glands. Malpighian tubules, green gland and coxal glands. And most are the dioecious, means unisexuals. The male and female organisms are separated. And fertilization is internal fertilization, mostly oviparous to lay eggs. Development is direct or indirect, and many larval forms are formed. Whenever which organisms to show the indirect development, they produce a larval stage. Different larvals are formed, and these larvals are and to develop to the adult organism by the process called metamorphosis. రూపవిక్రియ అనేటువంటి ప్రాసెస్ అనేది జరిగి చివరికి అడల్ట్ గా ఫామ్ అవుతూ ఉంటుందండి లార్వల్స్ అని. You see the some examples of the arthropoda, Peritima postuma, Peritima postuma, next Periplaneta americana, Periplaneta americana, Cancer, Pelimon, Apis, Bombax, and different kinds of the mosquitoes, Aedes aegypti, Anopheles, Culex. These are the different kinds of arthropoda examples, and these are the general characters of arthropoda. We see that classification of arthropoda in next class. You want like my videos, share my videos to your friends and comment and subscribe my Santosh Zoology channel. Thank you students.